Hello everyone, welcome to Hey Tools. I hope you all are well and doing so well. In this video today I am going to talking about something new that you can purchase from us with a suitable cost, and it's very necessary for the content creator and video editors, and that the software is ElevenLabs. So how can you buy our ElevenLabs portal subscription and get easily access of generating voice? Today I am in this video I am going to show you this all. So how can you do it? If you need subscription, you must knock on our WhatsApp or Telegram. We will be available always. So simply, first of all, you need to log in on our website portal. Then after login this, you will see here how many credit you have. So now your turn is work done. So how can you generate the voice? Simply you have to copy your script. You have what you want to generate, text to speech or a voice. So simply you copy this, then go to this option. There's ElevenLabs voice generation. Click here, then go this option, and this is generate audio. After getting this, you will paste here your script, and I am telling you that if you want to generate the English voice, it will work frequently and very fast for the people those want to generate the voice, text to voice in English. So I prefer if you work with English voices, so you must use this. So then you put any character for your voice recording, then you can choose from here the characteristics or the voices, any voice from there, and you can select your desired voice from ElevenLabs 2. Then select the 11B3. This is stable and very good model. Then you can choose from there also.
I'd rather regret the things that I have done.
And even you can check from there like this.
I have never been hurt by anything.
So we have developed a great system for the content creators those want to use the text to voice features in very low cost. So then you have to, after that you need to go to this option and simply click here generate audio, and use your task already successfully taken by our website, and this is generating. You have to wait some time a little for the generating this. So in this time I am going to show you that how can you manage ElevenLabs voice too. Suppose you don't have a voice here that you want to work or that you want to convert text to speech, so you simply go to this option manage ElevenLabs voices. Here is the option. See here we have right in the right corner add voices a option. Click here, and you have to, here is this is voice ID. So simply go to your ElevenLab official website. Then suppose if you want to copy this voice you want to generate, so simply click on this, then view it. Now you see this is your voice, so simply copy there and copy the voice ID, and then go to then again and click here, and then you can choose any name for your voice. Like I am choosing this project. That's it. And just select the category. You can select anything like character, like education. This depends on your content. Then language support, you can choose anything that English, Bangla, Hindi, Urdu, it's anything. Simply then add voice, and this voice is added successfully. Then go to the generate audio option, and if you go to there, then you will go to your project. The name will be project. This is your project, and this is the character that you have we have just added the voice, and that's it. You can hear this, and you can generate your voice in this language or voice. So simply I hope this is also processing. So dear friend, you see this the voice is already generated. You have to wait some time little to generate this voice. If you want to check this, then check this.
The old clock shop at the corner of Maple Street had been closed for years, but every night at exactly 11:11.
So that's how you can generate this, and if you download it, you will get the full version and the full voice you want to generate the text voice. And then if you want to generate the cloning the voice, so simply you have to go to this option, the Minimax voice cloning, then generate audio. And if you want to clone the voice, you will simply go to the clone voice, and you have to upload your file of audio. It must be in English, and then you can name your voice. Then you can add this by clone voice add. Then you can generate this also. If you select from there your voices, the cloning, then you can paste your text, then you can generate the voice also. So that's how it will work, and I hope this video is very helpful to you, will be very helpful to you all those who wanted a ElevenLab alternative subscription in low cost. If you need this type of subscription, you must text us on WhatsApp or Telegram. For purchasing this, we will provide you credits 1 million, 2 million, even more. It depends on your budget. So thank you for watching.